Parker, come on down. I wanted to start this week by kind of explaining why there's been a delay in putting a video out recently. So I went and tried to get my computer the other day and it was at 1%, so I went and looked for my charger and I couldn't find it. Come to find out, after a week's worth of not being able to find it, someone had hid it. I'm going to start with ruling out who it was not. Our newsboy, Peyton, okay? Wasn't him. My wife, Mandy, wasn't her. So who does that leave? I think you guys can find out or figure it out. However, let me show you exactly where the charger was located, because I wasn't able to do anything with my computer this week because I couldn't charge my computer. So let me show you where it was at. Okay, we're in my kitchen right now. I looked everywhere for this thing. Parker typically puts things in the family room. He puts things behind chairs. He puts things underneath couches, whatever. You name it, he puts them everywhere. I looked at all the regular spots, okay? I looked at work. I thought maybe I left it at work. Just wasn't finding it. I thought that I was going to have to purchase a new one at $75, and I really didn't want to do that. So I kept looking today, and come to find out, while I was putting dishes away, the charger ended up being in here. Can you see that? The charger is located in the mixer. Now, I don't know why I opened this cabinet, because quite honestly, I didn't put anything away from this cabinet. But I figured I've looked everywhere else in this house, all the usual places, why not? And here it is. Charger's in the mixer. So, anyways, now we've got our charger back. And I think we're going to first start out with what happened over the last week or so that I wasn't able to put a video together. We went to a birthday party, and I'm going to show you some highlights of that, including some drone footage, and should be fun. Say hi.
Hi.
Take another bite. We came over to a friend's house. They had a son who turned 5 this weekend, and it is just a freaking blast over here right now. Go on up, go play with Bennett. Go play in there with Bennett. He gonna get you, fucker!